At 5 here this afternoon. Well, we'll have to wait just a little bit longer to find out. I've got Sean Bartlett alongside me as our expert analyst. How much, Sean, does that mean in terms of today's game, the fact that Chiefs were victors here not that long ago?
Yeah, I think obviously more for Stellenbosch, it's important to bounce back, you know, even with Kaiser Chiefs. Maybe not that satisfied with the last result. So it's an opportunity for both teams to redeem themselves, and more especially, I think it's a cup competition, you know, and like you've indicated, this is a competition that Stellenbosch won a couple of years ago.
So let's have a look at the team sheets for Stellenbosch. They decided to play Oscarine Masaluke in the cup competition, so he gets his first outing of the season. 3 changes at the back with Mokobori, Malloy Sane and Manafov all coming in. Now, Kaiser Chiefs have made just 1 change, but also taken the view that this is a competition to allow the second choice goalkeeper to get a bit of experience. So Fiacre Ntwari, the Rwanda World Cup goalkeeper, is in goal today in place of Brandon Peterson.